How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So I actually listened to one of you guys, and you guys were like, go back to O'Reilly's and look at it in a socket. And so I did. So I went and bought the whole socket set, just in case anybody else wants to get this same socket set. This is it, and they looked it up by the number right there. So this is the socket set, and it was actually the 9mm, not the 10mm like online says. So it's actually the 9 in this set. So I tried it already, and I was able to loosen up, I think it was this one. Yeah, I was able to loosen up this one. So now I can get this clutch off of here. So let's get started, guys. So I'm guessing that this was the guide that broke right here, and man, it's busted, and then pieces got trapped right here. Look at that. Wow, it's no wonder that this thing didn't really mess up, man. It didn't jump timing or anything. That's crazy. Pieces were lodged everywhere. Look like this one broke too. There's pieces all over here. And see, now I see how it came down and got into the oil pan, because they just literally broke off, swung down, bounced around. Seemed like this one is broke too. Yeah, all of this is one. It's all broke, and then made his way down into the oil pan and up into the screen and started causing low oil pressure. And I'm glad man, it's crazy. Those gauges are wonderful. The gauge on the dash, it just kept flashing the oil light, and sometimes it was and sometimes it wasn't. But as soon as I put in that pressure gauge, and it gave me the number, the readings out of it, man, and it just showed me that it was just always low. Oh man, yeah, I think I saved my motor with that gauge. I really think I saved my motor with the gauge. That's crazy. Alright guys, we are moving right along here. And now I think I can take this off of there. Yep, just like that. That drops that, just like that. Fancy me. Look at me. Look at me out here trying to fix stuff. And that's the old chain. And that, oh, that's gonna be, I'm glad that didn't even break. That's gonna be a pain trying to change out of there. I think I gotta take that bolt off right there, but I don't think it's messed up, so I don't think I'm gonna change it. It looks perfectly fine. Everything else is jacked up though. And then that's the bottom chain right there. Let's get fancy on them, y'all. And this is the new stuff. Alright, dope. So Now I gotta figure out how to arrange all of this stuff in there. So let's go. Well, I finally got it, guys. I finally got it all back together. But only thing now is I don't trust my timing. So I don't want to really put the transmission back on there until I'm 100% sure that the timing is right. If you look right there, I believe that is the timing mark, one of the timing marks, and then that one is one of the timing marks. So I believe I got that lined up right. And I don't know what the timing mark is down there. I believe that's one right there, but I don't know where it is on this, so I'm not 100% sure if that's lined up right. As far as over on this side goes, I got down on the bottom right there lined up right, and I do not have one of those plates, but I believe both of those are, you know, together right, but I don't have the plate to lock them, so that's why I don't trust my timing. So, but other than that, she is pretty much back together on that end. And yeah, you guys want to see something else? Check this out. Voila, I got the back primer down. I just needed to take my mind off of doing that because it was frustrating me. So I went on and painted the back. That looks awesome. That's just primer, and when I slap the paint on it, that's gonna look awesome. So yeah, that is where I'm at right now, guys, with the VR. So she is almost back together. So yeah, I gotta put the flywheel back on and then the stage 2 clutch on there. And yeah, I'm excited here. So you guys tell me, what do you guys think about the timing? And I will catch you guys in the next video. Remember, guys, have an awesome day. So I guess we can take off timing guide too, because we just did that. So timing guide is off. So clutch is coming and painting motor is coming. So we're moving on down this list, guys.